The Filipinos love Padre Pio. The proof of that is in 2018 when the heart of Padre Pio was brought to the Philippines, especially here at the Manila Cathedral, hundreds of people came. Hundreds of people came. That was pre-pandemic, and the cathedral, as I was told, was full of people. And many of you may have gone to Batangas, to the shrine of Padre Pio. We love Padre Pio. But the Filipinos, or Padre Pio, also loves the Filipinos. It is attested to by the many petitions given to us, heard by the Lord, granted to us through the intercession of Padre Pio. You have probably experienced that yourselves. Mga panalangin ipinagkaloob, mga kahilingang ibinigay sa pamamagitan ng panalangin ni Padre Pio. So the Filipinos love Padre Pio just as Padre Pio loves the Filipinos. One of the many sayings attributed to Padre Pio is this: pray, hope, and don't worry. Worry is useless. A very good reminder to each and every one of us. We worry so much, and many times the things that we worry about do not happen. Diba? Yung mga yung mga kinakabahala natin, yung mga kinatatakutan natin, yung mga dahilan ng ating pag-aalala, nawawalan tayo ng ganang kumain, hindi tayo makatulog dahil nag-aalala tayo. Pero sa bandang huli, yun namang pinag-aalala natin, hindi nangyayari. Nauunahan kasi tayo ng takot kaysa sa tiwala. At napakaganda din ng ebanghelyo natin, ang pamilyar na ebanghelyo ng maghahasik. At sa paliwanag ng Panginoon, yung pangatlong klase ng binhi na kinahulugan, ito sabi niya, as for the seed that fell among thorns, they are the ones who have heard, but as they go along, they are choked, nasasakal by the anxieties. They are choked by the anxieties. And that is very true. When we are anxious, when we worry too much, then we are kind of petrified, paralyzed, walang nagagawa. We become unproductive. Ayaw nating lumabas ng bahay. Nag-aalala tayo, baka ganito ang mangyari sa atin, baka ganun ang mangyari sa atin. We worry so much that somehow these worries kind of kill us and make us paralyzed. Kaya alam yun ni Padre Pio Kaya sabi niya, pray. Pray. It does not mean that we're not doing anything. He tells us pray. Hope. Hope, umasa, magtiwala. But don't worry, because worry is useless. Anong itinuturo sa atin ni Padre Pio? Magtiwala sa Diyos. Magtiwala sa pag-ibig ng Diyos. Sapagkat kung mag-aalala tayo, kung padadala tayo sa takot, walang magandang ibubunga ito sa atin. Magtiwala sa Panginoon, ilagay natin ang lahat sa kamay ng Diyos. Amen.